Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, it's continuation to organizational management tutorial. Okay, so this is the last video for organizational management. So in this, I will not, I'm going to create that structure from this option. Okay, and we can create, let's say, here. Wait. Mhm. So now, human resource, organizational management, and from organization plan under this we have organized staffing, and from here let's say I want to vacant one position, so I will click here, and from here 00031448, enter. So this is the position, so I will click this, and from here let's say this is the position. So we have created this position in simple maintenance, but it's easily available here. Okay, so this is a department and comes from this position and belong to this department. Okay. Now from here we can make, let's say, vacancy open, and we can say vacancy occupied or put on hold, and this is obsolete, and we can click here as a blank. Okay, this is the option, and from here we can assign the cost center here. Okay, chart of account and cost center. So we haven't created cost center because this comes under uh, finance configuration. Okay, so if we have my cost center chart of account, so we can assign this here. Okay, and account assignment, we whenever we assign to cost center, system will automatically assign the fiscal master cost center. System will assign the company code, their location, their sub location, and their business area, from which business area they belongs to. Okay, and here they will mention their cost center, and the cost center will bear the cost for that particular position. Okay, so now, so we can do from all this thing from here, and here if we want to create one department here, so that the same 010119 and 0, and click on create tab and organization unit. So here I have to give abbreviation, that is let's say PRB underscore sales SLDEPT, and here I have to give the name Prabhu Sales Department. Okay, enter. So now under this, if I want to create sub department, I will click here and see I have to choose like sorry, position. If I want to I have to click here. So I have to create one position, let's say sales head. Okay, so one position is created. Now say, so this is how we create department, sub department under this. Okay, so if I want to create, let's say in this, and here let's say go to, if I want to assign one account as let's say this is related to finance. Okay, we have to create some ledger accounts and we have to assign here. Okay, contact person, each and everything we have to create. Let's say if I want to create, if I want to assign something to him. Okay, so let's say create organization unit I want to create. So I will click here, and this is, let's say, customer support department. Okay, enter. So one department is created. Under this, I want to create, if I want to assign one position, let's say incorporate one position, and which position, let's say customer support manager. Customer support manager, and from which job is coming. So I have to copy from here. So here I'm not able to see. Wait. This is the evaluation part, job position. Okay. Um, let's say, what is the job? Wait, I have to check now. But we don't have here no job. I have to find job code and I have to assign here. Okay. So if you assign here a job, then system will tag that position to for that particular job. C, SPUCK. Now click on save tab. So this is how you create your hierarchy here, okay? And it's very complicated. Okay, so this we use only when we want to make some position vacancy open and all. Okay, vacancy open, obsolete. Okay, whatever we want to do, so we can create here, and we can mention here their line manager, their personal officer, okay, staff. Okay, so we can do all these things. Go back now. So it's very complicated, no? So never do any kind of creation of organ structure from there or expert mode. Just go to simple maintenance. Now I want to create one task for my. So how to create task? So here, let's say I will go to change, and this is promoters, and here under the staff assignments, let's say I want to create one. Let's say human resource. For this, I want to create one task. So I will click on task. So here, first I have to go to task maintenance and wait, wait. Okay, I have to go to task maintenance. Already there. I will create one task. Let me do one thing. This is older one. I don't want to give you, let's say, let me do one policy. Okay, save. So this is the task 30550 policy, and if I go back and let's say staff assignments, and here I want to assign human resource here, and I will assign select this and click on task, and I will paste here, enter. Yes, it's fine. Okay, so this is the task, and I have to select this, click on save, and system will assign the task. So normally what happen, we create mass employee in SAP system, okay, and for that we have to import the group of tasks. You know? So this thing is done by LSMW team. They talk to us. We create that. The group of tasks and they upload it to, okay, but why I'm teaching you here, so sometime you have to create one single position, and for that single position you have to create that task now. And if you want to create that task, you must not be depend on that LSN team. They will come and upload it, okay. So you just have to come here and create your task and assign to your particular positions, okay. That's why you must know how to create tasks, okay. So this is it for organizational management, guys. Okay, so from next class, we will be learning from, we will be learning personal administration, how to create the country groupings, okay, and how to create employee IDs, how to assign them into decision trees, okay, and payroll area, administrators and all, their decision trees, of course, pinch, we will be learning all these things, okay. So guys, this is it for organizational management. If you like this video and if you're watching till now, please do subscribe my video and share into your spam. Okay, and keep tuning for next videos related to SAP HCM. Okay, guys, bye bye. Take care.